Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi, if you're new, I'd love if you guys hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my May favorites and current things I've been loving. I film these videos every month and I seriously have so much fun sharing all my favorites with you guys, and you guys seem to enjoy these videos. So I'm super excited to do this video and I hope you guys enjoy it. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you do, and comment down below which item is your favorite or if you have any favorites for this month, because I'd love to know. And let's just get started. So I always start off with my favorite songs from Spotify. So my Spotify is just Kelly Too Wise Tomlinson. It's always listed down below if you want to check it out. I make playlists. It's a lot of fun. But my favorite songs for this month, and I'll put like a little picture of it right here so you know what I'm talking about. I have really been loving a lot of different types of music, to be quite honest. It's been super random, but I absolutely love it. My first song that I want to share with you guys is from my current faves 2018 playlist. I have been using this playlist like all year so far. I know it's like almost halfway through the year and I'm still using the same playlist, but I just like add and delete songs to it, and it's really fun because I have all my favorite songs in there. So the first song is called Psycho by Post Malone. Oh my gosh, it's just so chill and it's like kind of rap, but it's just like a good song. You can listen to it whenever you want kind of thing, and it's just like fits every mood. So I really have been liking that song. The next song that I want to share with you guys is one of my favorites. I listen to it every time I go to the gym. So it's like my like pre-gym song, I guess, if that's a thing. I'm not really sure. And it's called Nice for What by Drake. And I don't know, I have the bass up in my car all the way, so it sounds a lot different in my car when the bass is all the way up than when it's not, because like my friends' cars don't always have that option. And I'm like, it sounds different in my car, I promise. But it's a really good song. I really like Drake's music currently and I'm just like obsessed with him, but you know, who isn't? So those are like my more rap type songs that I want to share with you guys. And then I have like more like chill. I don't really know what category this would be. They're just really random in my opinion. I really have been liking this song Big Jet Plane, and I've liked this song for so long, but like lately I've been listening to it a lot and I'm just like, oh my gosh, I just love this song. Definitely go check it out if you haven't listened to it. And then the next song that I really like is Better Not. It's so chill. It was actually in my room decor video. I added it as like a little bit of the music in that. I really like that song. It's just another chill, like vibey kind of song. The last song I want to share with you guys is Remind Me to Forget, and I just love this song. It's just so good. Definitely go check them out. Let me know if you like these songs because I have been listening to them nonstop. Again, my Spotify is just Kelly Too Wise Tomlinson and it's always listed down below if you guys want to check it out. But I seriously have been loving all of this music. It's so random, but I like it. It makes me happy, and that's what I want to share with you guys. So then the next little category in these videos are books that I have been reading, and I'm currently reading The Magic of Thinking Big. I got this from the public library. I absolutely love this book. It's so motivating. Each chapter is like a different little motivational kind of thing, and there's 13 different chapters. It's really good. It's just like how to think big. You can think bigger. If you believe you will succeed, you will. It's just so good and so motivating. So I definitely recommend checking this book out. I absolutely love it so far, and I'm like halfway through it. So I really have been enjoying that. I haven't really been reading a whole lot of other books yet. I definitely want to get a bunch of books to read during the summer, like while I'm at the pool and stuff, just like to enjoy, because I really do enjoy reading. I do want to start reading more. I just kind of been slacking a little bit this month. And then for movies and TV shows, my next little category, honestly, I haven't watched any, so I don't really have anything to share for this category, which I feel like is so sad. I haven't watched any TV. No particular reason. I honestly just stopped. Like I stopped watching Riverdale and I really need to catch up, so I'm hoping it's all on the CW app so I can get back into that, but I'm like so just out of it, but it's fine. And then for clothing, I have so many cute clothes I want to share with you guys that I've been loving for like summertime. But the first one is this accessory, and this is from Molly and Rose. I love this bracelet. It's just the perfect piece of arm candy. You guys might have seen it in one of my outfit of the week videos and on my Instagram, which is just that Kellyprepster. But it's so cute. It goes on so nice and it just like looks so cute with your arm candy, so I absolutely love it. Then I have been loving like polo t-shirts, and I like any type of polo shirt, and I always talk about these, but I just think they're such a classic preppy look, and I just feel like they're perfect for spring and summer, and it's just like a classic polo shirt, and I just think they're so cute. They look cute with chinos, they look cute with jeans. You can tuck them in, you don't have to tuck them in. I kind of feel like they're like that preppy vintage vibe, which I love. I'm like obsessed with the 80s and I think this is so cute. So I love all of these kind of polo type shirts. I just think they're so much fun to wear. I have also been loving my Jack Rogers, and I have multiple pairs of these, but these are my absolute favorite. These are my first pair I ever got. They're like the denim color, and I just think they're so easy to slip on during the summertime. They go with any outfit, and I honestly feel like Jack Rogers, they have this like little bit of a heel, which isn't very noticeable. They take a while to break in, but they make your legs look so good in shorts. So I absolutely love these. These are my go-to sandals in the summer. My last clothing favorite is a pair of Lily Pulitzer shorts. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, you know I've been obsessed with Lily lately. If you're watching this before May 23rd, you still have a chance to enter. On my Instagram, me, Daily Dose of Prep, and Missouri Prepster are giving away a $100 Lilly Pulitzer gift card. So go check it out. It's super easy to enter, and a $100 Lilly Pulitzer gift card is crazy. So I'm super excited about that. Let me know if you have entered because I'm just so excited about it. But I've been obsessed with Lilly. Always been like in love with it, but lately I'm just like, it's so summertime and so spring, and it's so happy because it's so colorful and so fun. So I'm just obsessed. But go check out my giveaway. It's super fun, super easy to enter, and I'm just so excited about it. My next little category in these videos are my fitness and workout, and you guys know I have been on my fitness journey for quite some time, and I was doing the Bikini Body Guide, but I stopped. I'm just doing Orange Theory at the moment. I absolutely love. If you want to check it out, your first class is free, which is so cool. I'm hooked. I've been going since July, so I'm almost at my 1-year mark. I've done over 100 classes. I'm completely obsessed. I go 5 times a week. It's just so much fun, but I've noticed really great results with it, so I definitely recommend it if you're looking to get into your own fitness journey and stuff. Super fun. But I have been loving these Quest protein powder shakes, and I make these for breakfast. I do my workout in the morning, so I wake up at like 5:30, go work out, and then I have a protein shake when I get back. And I love these because they're only like 100 calories and you get like 23 grams of protein for this one. This is the peanut butter one. So good, and I think these are pretty inexpensive too, so I really have been liking these. I just use my Magic Bullet blender type thing in the morning, and it's so good. It's like a tasty little breakfast snack, and I have some fruit, and it's just delicious. I haven't really had any like clothing favorites or anything. I feel like you guys have already seen all that, but I love Orange Theory, and I've been loving these protein shakes. So my next little category of these videos are beauty and like makeup. And you guys know I'm getting into makeup, and this is so weird because I like never really thought I was huge into makeup, but I'm like kind of obsessed. I watch Instagram videos all the time and everything. So I have been loving my Baby Skin by Maybelline Instant Pore Eraser, and this product works wonders. I never used a primer before. I don't have any recommendations from high end or anything. I just heard really good reviews on this, so I picked it up. $7, great. You put it on before you put your foundation or like BB cream on, like just as your base kind of thing, and it makes your skin look so like smooth, and I just love it. I think the results are amazing. Definitely worth it. I like don't go without it now. I absolutely love it. My next favorite is this NYX Born to Glow liquid highlighter, and I'm gonna be honest, some days I don't wear a lot of makeup. Like I'll just wear like mascara, and on those days I like to wear mascara and highlight. I just feel like it adds that finishing look, like you look put together even though you're like not wearing any makeup. I just put a little bit on my nose and like under my eyebrows and some mascara, and this product is just so perfect because it goes on so easily, and it's so pretty, and it's just like this really golden-y highlight. So pretty. My next favorite is my Saint Tropez self tan in the shade Dark. A lot of you guys asked what self tanner I use, and I swear by this. This stuff is amazing. It's a little pricey. It's like $50 a bottle, but I've had this bottle for, I want to say, like over 4 months now, and I use the tanning mitt, which I do not want to show you because it is so gross because it has all this tanning product on it. But the biggest tip with self tanning for you guys is to buy the mitt. I bought mine at Ulta. It's the Saint Tropez brand. It was $6. It makes the biggest difference because you don't get streaky and it just blends so evenly, and then your hands don't turn orange, which is not fun. So I absolutely love this product. It goes on really nice. I'm not wearing it currently just because I didn't plan for it. It takes like 20 minutes. I do it after my shower, and it's a great product. I absolutely love it. So basically it's just like a little foam pump, and you pump it onto your mitt, and then you like put it on your skin. Super easy. There's tons of tutorials on YouTube if you're interested in that, but a lot of you guys have been asking, and I absolutely love this product. I talk about it all the time, and it's just a perfect shade. I like the dark because it's not like orangey at all, but the original is really good too. That one's just nice because it's super dark. And then my last beauty favorite is Crest whitening strips, and I talk about these all the time with you guys, and a lot of you guys ask how I keep my teeth so white. These are my holy grail product. So I use a whitening toothpaste. I occasionally switch between Colgate and Crest, just depends what I pick up at the store. So this comes with 10 different treatments, so you use it 10 different times, and they recommend to do it once a day for 30 minutes for 10 days straight. And I feel like you guys know my secret already, but I only use one once a week, so it lasts 10 weeks rather than 10 days, and it makes my teeth stay white because I feel like sometimes when I do it for 10 days straight, it like makes my teeth are too sensitive for it, but then also it's kind of like you get really white teeth and then it just doesn't stay white long. So that's my secret if you want to get really white teeth. If you're looking into it, or if you're wondering, I do a whitening strip once a week for 10 weeks with this package, and this is honestly like 30 bucks. It's so worth it, and I feel like my teeth are so white because of it. And now we're on to the more random part of this video, and I don't really have a lot of random stuff to share with you guys, but I did splurge and I bought the Lilly Pulitzer Pottery Barn collection bedding from Pottery Barn Kids. I'll insert my Instagram picture of it right here. I am completely obsessed with it. It's so cute. It makes me so happy every time I go to bed or just like make my bed in general. I just think it's so fun, and I love the mermaid cove print. It's so pretty and I absolutely love it. So that's available at Pottery Barn Kids if you are interested in it. And then my last favorite is my Day Designer planner. I just got a new one for this upcoming year. It is the flagship planner, I think. I'll have it listed down below if you guys want to check it out, but I can do a whole video on this because I've talked about how I use this every single day now. This is my new one. I love the stripes on it. I feel like it's so classic and everything, but this planner is a game changer. It has a page for every single day, has daily to-do lists. I just am completely obsessed with it. It really has organized my whole life. And so I always end off these videos with a quote that has been pulling me through this month, and I'm so excited to share this one with you because it really is so simple, but it has pulled me through so much. And the quote is, I can and I will. Like, I don't know about you guys, occasionally you'll doubt yourself and be like, I don't think I can do this. Like, this is really hard, this is challenging, but you can do anything you set your mind to. Like, occasionally I'll be running and I'm like, I just want to stop, I am done, I'm not feeling it, but I tell myself I can do it, I can keep going, and you know, you can push yourself. And I just have been using that quote like with anything, like, oh, I don't want to do this, and I tell myself, Kelly, you can do it, and it really helps. So I hope that quote helps you. I know it's super short, super simple, but it's easy to remember, and I love it. It really is like a positive reinforcement for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Be sure to comment down below if you have any favorites that I should check out, or if you have any song requests, let me know. I'm always open to new ideas, and I love responding back to all of your comments. You guys are seriously so amazing, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys.